We have seen who are market issuers. Now let's go ahead and see who are market investors. So market investors could be people, could be institutions which basically allocate capital with the expectations of future financial return. Now, if we are investing in terms of debt, you expect interest as a return or coupon as a return. If you are investing in stocks or equities, you definitely expect dividends apart from capital gains. So investments could include equity, debt securities, real estate, currency, commodity, token, derivatives such as put and call options, futures, forwards, etc. So all these financial instruments where someone is making investment on these financial instruments, whether he or she is an individual or whether it is an institutional investors, all of them together will be known as market investors.